Hey there, I'm making this quick video. If you have the Lenovo G24 and looking for the best settings, so the first thing you can do is have a native resolution to full HD. Refresh rate you want to set up as high as possible. Response time you want to go extreme or fast. Then brightness about 70 to 80% is the best thing. Contrast around also 75 to 80%. Sharpness about 50%. Color temperature, now you can go with like 100 100 100, or you can go like 95 98 and 95. This is something also you can try. Preset mode you can use standard for general use, game for gaming, or sRGB for photo editing. HDR you want to enable if content supports it to improve dynamic range and colors. Adaptive sync, enable FreeSync to reduce screen rearing. Overdrive set to extreme for competitive gaming to reduce motion blur. Black equalizer, adjust to medium settings to improve visibility. And you can also have additional settings like response time, fast or extreme. Low blue light, enable during long usage sessions to reduce eye strain. Dynamic contrast, generally keep this off for consistent image quality. And then enable for more uniform brightness, the uniformity. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit what you can try to change, and have a great day and goodbye.